Hi everyone, I'm just gonna dive once again into SHIB, and thanks so much for the support that you've been showing so much. I do say this in every single video, but I do mean it. And at the moment, what is SHIB trying to do? We're still trapped in this some form of a triangle. Went up, we went down, went up. We came up again, hit our head there, and you see we are finding a level of support right here. So I'm just gonna kind of redraw this triangle a little bit so that we can match perfectly, just like that. Okay, and this one I'm gonna do this just like that. Okay, so you do have some few touches. You went up here, two touch right there, one touch right here. Okay, you had nearly a touch right there, two touches right here, and now we went down. Okay, we find support here, you find another support there, another support there, five. Those are four, and this is the fifth one. Now we are making this symmetrical triangle. Okay, we are making this symmetrical triangle. Now equally, I'm going to show you one more thing. I'm going to show you one more pattern that I did see some technical analysis. They were talking about this pattern, and I'm going to show you really quickly what was that pattern. And this one was a pattern like this. Do you see that? This kind of pattern, and they took this one to there. Okay, and this doesn't make it does look reasonable, but look, if you actually broke out of it, then why didn't you go to all the way towards the upside? So I don't think this is just very accurate at the moment to judge SHIB direction. I do think personally that the descending triangle is working as it is supposed to be working. Okay, look at this: up, down, up and down. We went up again, we went down, and I told you this in the past 2 days. You're gonna go up again, maybe here, come down. Now the decision is pending because we're reaching near the apex here. We're reaching the near end, and that decision is coming up till 3 of November, which is like 4 days from now. So 4 days from now, even before 3rd of November, anytime, it could be even today, you could see SHIB do something like this: roll down, break this level of resistance, come down, fail the retest, and we're good to go towards the downfall. And I've already given you the technical target of SHIB right now. Okay, this is the blue line, 3469. Okay, if you ever see SHIB losing this descending triangle, that's simple theory. You take the top of the triangle to the bottom right there. Wherever you break out from here, you break out from there. That's gonna take you nearly this price level. I'm actually gonna do this in a more accurate way. I'm gonna take the trend line. This was your top basically to the bottom right there, and wherever you break out, this is where you break out, and that's gonna take you nearly that price level, just like that. And I'm gonna tell you why this level is important. Why do I think it's not a financial advice, but why do I think that SHIB is gonna go down to that area? I'm gonna switch into the 4-hour time frame here so that we can have a longer time frame, just like that. And I'm gonna show you a level of support right here. Okay, I'm gonna draw a trend line. Do you see this? This is a trend line right there. Then if you ever came down to this blue line, okay, you're gonna meet a few support level. Okay, this is your first touch, this is your second touch, this is your third touch, and probably you're gonna have the fourth one right there. I do not think we're gonna move any lower than this one. Okay, so that's SHIB update for you today, so do keep in mind that. But I'm gonna show you the bullish scenario as well. Okay, I want to talk about the bullish scenario, so I'm gonna dive back into the 1-hour time frame just like that. And here's the bullish scenario. In order for us to invalidate this triangle, now remember, this is not a guarantee that we're gonna go towards the downside. This is a 50% chance of moving towards the downside. Now there's equal chances of going towards the upside as well, and that's where you form the triangle. Keep that in mind. Now the story, what I want to see for SHIB is, if it actually ever comes like this, if it breaks down, fail the retest, that's where we're gonna dump. That's when you're gonna dump. You have to fail the retest. Whenever you break out, if you see something like this, you break out and you go up, that's a fake out. This is gonna be a fake out. Remember, pay attention to this part. Pay attention very closely. I don't want you to get mixed in the puzzle. Okay, and you break down, fail the retest, that's when you're gonna move. If you break outside, you pass the retest, that's where you're gonna go up. because you can also do a fake out of the breakout, go up, come down and break towards the downside, and this is gonna be a fake out. Okay, so do keep that in mind, and one more thing for the bullish scenario is I'm gonna take the top there to the bottom right here, and equally for me here, if you actually try to trade to break out here, the best scenario for a bullish reversal is when you cross the 0.618. In here we've already failed. Okay, do you see that huge rejection and we're moving towards the downside? Now when you fail the 0.618, when you fail the 0.5, okay, you start to create a reversal pattern. The upward trend gets cancelled, okay, and the downtrend starts shifting. Okay, so right now on a very small time frame we are actually in a downtrend. Okay, and I do think we're going to continue with this downtrend until we don't reach this price target. Okay, so I've given you the bearish and the bullish scenario. I do hope you go to trading.com, and you can also lay down the charts just like this and try to just sit at the sideline. Okay, I'm sitting at the sideline watching everything, what's going to happen with SHIB. Okay, so that a small SHIB update for you. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to see you tomorrow with a new video update. Thank you so much.